Hello to all my sweet children. How are you today? Hoping y'all are all fine as always. Look at what we are going to make today with DP Kids YouTube channel. It's a piano. We are making a piano today. Okay, take a piece of paper. A square piece of paper is best. So you don't need any other paper but an A4 paper, because we need to be able to make the keys. We need to see the keys once we make the piano. So a rough paper or any other type of paper might not really help us do it with the origami creation, because it'll be hard to make otherwise. Now fold it in half like usual. Now open it up and fold it onto the opposite direction. Okay, now can you see that there is a middle line here, a middle crease? There's a T sort of a shape here. So we have to bring the right edge to the middle edge. Remember, we are keeping the opening side to our direction. And the same thing on the other side, where you bring the left edge to the middle line. Then this little corner needs to come down and meet this edge and form a triangle. And the same thing on the other side as well. Now slowly open it up using one paper. So put your finger in and you can open it up and then push it down. See, it's like a little house now. Do the same thing on the other side. Open it up. The two sides should go to two different sides, the two papers, right? So if you really want to, you can even make this into a house. But in our case, to make a piano, we have to make the two sides. This is what we are going to use. This part we are going to fold in and press it down so that the two sides are prepared. And now we are going to make the keys. Now lift it up like this. Then fold it in half like that. You have to be careful not to let it tear or be untidy. Then open it up again and fold it again. Fold that little half again into two. Now look, there are two folding lines here. So there's a little shape like this that appears. Now our piano is over, right? See, look, isn't our piano pretty? Now we need keys. So we can draw the keys on. Now the keys have also been drawn. Now we are going to fold it down again like we did earlier, and then open it up and make it stand. See, the piano, a beautiful piano. Now you can present it like this to anyone. Make it stand up like that. You can press it down hard on either side to make sure it stands. and then move them around. It's like a piano. So my little children, I want you to try it out with your friends and make it and play on it if you wish, and you can pretend to be musicians. So I hope you will make it and enjoy. So like, comment, subscribe, be with us till the very end. Goodbye.